Bitcoin breaking new all-time highs, altcoins crashing, but there's one coin right now that is sticking out amongst all of the red, and that is SUI, and that's what I want to talk about today. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Let's hop into this video, guys. So, over on the trading view, the one and only, we're looking at SUI right now, and we are making a nice continuation of the upside while basically altcoins are bleeding out. Ethereum's coming down. A lot of these altcoins are bleeding out, but Bitcoin just continues to rampage up. But SUI is very, very strong. You know, guys, I've been talking about this for a while now, that SUI is somewhat of a market outlier and that it is very, very strong, resembling maybe even a Solana 2.0, because I remember back in 2020 and 2021 when Solana was just a mere single dollar coin. It was like $8, I remember it. And it went from $8 to 16, 16 to 32, 32 to 80. And I remember just the entire time being like, wow, this is incredible, the strength. And when Bitcoin would dump, it would maybe move down a 0.5%. It was so strong. And right now, when we're looking at the SUI chart, I'm seeing very, very similar things here, guys. I mean, first things first, you know, I was saying for a while, I haven't bought any coins really with size, I'll say, with size this phase of the bull market, because I've been buying since the bear market. Why would I really put on more risk unless I see something that is really extraordinary? And well, guys, I did top blast this. I was joking around over on Twitter and some earlier SUI videos saying that I'm going to top blast this, and my top blast was after we made this massive run up, and I bought it around $1.87, $1.86. And man, that was a good decision because we're continuing to make this massive move to the upside. The real question is, will it continue? I think that there's a high likelihood that it will, especially when we're looking at Bitcoin and looking at Bitcoin dominance. But let's break this down. So we're looking at SUI right now. It is rank number 14, holding up very, very well, up about 15.24% on the 7-day moving. You know, I'll be honest with you. Looking at the percentage gain on the 7 days isn't really that big of a deal right now because Bitcoin is just absolutely going mad. But 15% on the 7-day is something to take note of when you compare it to the other coins, when everything else is kind of breaking down, selling off, because Bitcoin is just absorbing all that liquidity. But SUI is a market outlier. It's strong right now. We're sitting at a $10.62 billion market cap, a $1.28 billion 24-hour volume. The other day, it was much more significant, but it is I really like to see a majority of the market cap being moved around in 24-hour volume transactions. 1.28 billion is nothing to scoff at for 24-hour volume, but like I said, really right now, I know I sound like a broken record, but Bitcoin is just absorbing this liquidity. We need to be paying attention to that. You know, over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blackc. I said, what meme coins are we buying, guys? And you know, what am I missing? What am I missing? You know, when SUI really started to make its move to the upside, I was saying, guys, like, what about the SUI memes? What about the SUI memes? Because when meme coin season really pops off, these newer chains that are performing very well, the memes on them should go absolutely nuts. I mean, we saw that with Solana back in the day, and really this is a meme coin bull market, if you will. For now, there's a big emphasis on for now. But I really want to know if you guys are playing around in the SUI blockchain, the SUI ecosystem, if there's any memes you have your eyes on. I've looked at a couple. I haven't bought anything. Really, I dabbled a little bit around, but I haven't really been getting too deep. I'm really curious what there is. So if you guys have any SUI coin, meme coins you want to recommend, let me know in the comment section below. But really, we need to be paying attention to how high can SUI go here. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I sound like such a ridiculous moon boy, delusional bull as of the past few videos, but when you're seeing Bitcoin just breaking new all-time highs and getting close to $100,000 Bitcoin, and retail is here, I'll say it, but they're not here like they were back in 2021. I think that we have a lot higher to go. I think people need to be raising their targets. I think a lot of people are waiting until January for altcoins to really go crazy. And guys, I'll be honest with you, Bitcoin dominance is topping out. We will see huge runs in altcoins. I do think a 10x from here is very, very possible, bringing us to potentially a $37 SUI coin, which is a $100 billion market cap. That's nothing to scoff at. That's a lot of money. But when you're talking about trillions of dollars moving into the crypto ecosystem, it's a drop in the bucket, 100 billion. Not really a drop in the bucket, but you get what I'm saying. You know, if more money is coming into the space, if trillions are coming into the space, then what is 100 billion? And I do think with a coin, just based on not even the fundamentals, but the technical analysis behind it and how this price action has been performing, it reminds me exactly of Solana 2.0. Or Solana, the first one, this is Solana 2.0. That's what I'm trying to say. But, you know, it's not financial advice, but I've been in this space for a long time, and sometimes you can see some patterns, and that's what I'm seeing with this. I'm a SUI bull. I think it's going to continue to perform like this. It's a very, very strong altcoin. And guys, if you do believe that SUI is going to continue to move to the upside and altcoin season is right around the corner, and you want to take advantage of these awesome gains, then please take advantage of these fantastic links down below and in the pinned comment below. We have a $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin. All you do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit, you get a bunch of free money. And if you use this link, you get 10% off all trading fees for your life, guys, using this link, which is a limited time offer. So please take advantage of that during this bull market. They want you to use these links. They want to get you on these platforms because right now, guys, it's the bull market. There's good money to be made. So where is Bitcoin? Because like I said, Bitcoin dominance. I mean, look at this. Look at what we're looking at right now. Ethereum bleeding. Solana bleeding. Big altcoins bleeding. Stablecoins making some money. They're increasing. And what does that mean? It means that there's money flowing in, guys. There's money flowing in into the stables. Probably going to be heading into the altcoins very, very shortly. It really is just coming into the market, really. But emphasis on Ethereum and the big caps bleeding out while Bitcoin broke new all-time highs today. And Bitcoin dominance, oh my gosh, it's just relentless. Every time I think that it's topped out, it moves up a little bit more. And we did break new all-time highs. When Bitcoin does break highs, you should expect it to really absorb a lot of liquidity. That's what we're seeing. Bitcoin dominance trading at 59.77%. When we exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 61.24%, okay? I still believe that the top is close for Bitcoin dominance. I still believe that the altcoin season is right around the corner, maybe in December, maybe in January. But between now and January, it's coming, guys. Be prepared for some big moves across the board on altcoins. Be prepared for Bitcoin to stall out a little bit and to see some of this liquidity move and see these massive, massive gains. Maybe a $100 billion market cap SUI bringing us to a $37 SUI, which is mind-boggling to say, but it's very, very possible. It's very, very possible. When we break down Bitcoin right now, we see continuation of the upside. We are starting to see somewhat of a ascending channel. I've been talking about this in the past couple of videos. I'm not a huge fan of ascending channels. It's a little bit of a bearish formation, but some people will draw this as like an ascending triangle. And if you draw it as an ascending triangle and you're a formation kind of guy, it's a little bit more of a bullish pattern, but I see it more so as a ascending channel, which usually breaks down. But hey guys, we're moving into the easy phase of this cycle. Any breakdowns on the 4-hourly or anything less than the 4-hourly, I would say is very, very quick. Really what we should be looking at is the daily and above. And the daily, it's strong. And when you look at the weekly as well, it is screaming continuation of the upside. Weekly candle closure. If we get a weekly candle closure above, let's take a close look at this. We have 5 days, okay? But if we have a weekly candle closure above like 88,000, 89,000, we're going to be going higher. Probably going to be testing that $97,000 to $100,000 territory in the following week. So yes, we do have 5 days left, and this price action is volatile, but let's keep our eyes open on that. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Go follow me at 333blackc over on Crypto Twitter. I'm very, very active over there. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.